AI tools promise to supercharge your productivity, but behind the sleek interface and smart suggestions lies a question no one's asking. Are these tools working for you or using you? Before you click accept or feed it your next idea, stop and ask, who truly benefits, you or the company that built it? In this video, I'll walk you through 5 questions to protect your time, data, and peace of mind. 78% of people use AI tools, but only 24% know what's really happening behind the scenes. AI tools are everywhere. Writing emails, making art, even screening job applications. But many people jump in without asking a single question. The result? We give away personal data, trust flawed outputs, and sometimes lose our own creative voice. Sarah, a marketing manager, learned this the hard way. She used an AI writing assistant for client proposals, but didn't double-check the facts. The tool confidently used outdated statistics, and her team lost credibility with a major client. Meanwhile, Alex, a small business owner, used the same tool, but first asked these 5 questions. He caught the data issues, set clear boundaries, and saved thousands in potential client losses. But it doesn't have to be this way. A little awareness goes a long way. Question 1. What problem is this tool actually solving? Is this tool solving your problem or just offering a shiny distraction? Some say, but it's free and cool. Just remember, if you're not paying for the product, you might be the product. Consider email writing assistants. When used to polish important communications or overcome a writer's block, real problem solved. When used for every single message just to save seconds, you might be optimizing for the wrong thing. Question 2. What data does it collect and where does it go? Every AI tool collects something: your text, voice, clicks, even your IP address. Michael, a writer, uploaded a draft novel into an AI editor. A month later, his ideas showed up in unrelated AI outputs. Pro tip: before using any AI tool, spend 2 minutes scanning their privacy policy for these key terms: training data, third parties, and opt-out options. Question 3. Can I trust the results or should I verify? AI isn't magic. It makes mistakes, sometimes confidently. Experts call this hallucination when AI presents false information as fact. Double-check everything, especially facts, financial advice, and anything legal or ethical. Here's a simple verification system. For general ideas, creative inspiration, or grammar fixes, AI is usually reliable. For facts, statistics, or quotes, always cross-check with a trusted source. Question 4. Who built it and what's their agenda? Was it built by a non-profit, a startup, or a tech giant? Even trusted brands have motives, like advertising, data mining, or user lock-in. Open source tools often prioritize transparency, but may lack robust security. Enterprise tools offer stability, but might prioritize data collection. Personal tools balance usability with privacy, if you choose wisely. Question 5. How does it affect my thinking or creativity? Is the AI making you smarter or just faster? Jamie, a design student, used AI for idea generation. But over time, her work started looking like everyone else's. She realized she was skipping her own creative process. The most successful AI users follow this pattern. First, develop your own perspective. Then, use AI to explore alternatives or polish details. Finally, make the final decision yourself. Let's recap the 5 questions. What problem is it solving? What data does it collect? Can you trust the results? Who built it? How is it shaping your thinking? Now let's see how this framework applies to some real-world AI tools. First, ChatGPT. It's excellent for quick content generation, from emails to essays. But be cautious. Your prompts may be stored and used for training. It's reliable for grammar and brainstorming, but always verify the facts. Developed by OpenAI, a for-profit company, it's powerful, but overuse can hinder your critical thinking. Next, Grammarly. It refines your writing, catches grammar errors, and enhances clarity. However, it collects everything you type, even before you send it. Trust it for technical fixes, but its tone and style suggestions aren't always spot on. Grammarly is a private, profit-driven company. While useful, over-reliance might weaken your editing skills. Lastly, resume screening AI tools. They help companies sort job applications efficiently, but they collect detailed personal and career data and can be biased. These tools often operate as black boxes with little transparency. Built by hiring tech firms, they prioritize speed and scale, not fairness. So, if you're job hunting, understand how these systems might evaluate you. Asking the right questions keeps you in control, no matter the tool. Before your next AI download or demo, take a breath. These 5 questions aren't about fear, they're about freedom. Choose tools that serve you, not just the system. Try it. Pick one AI tool and evaluate it using these questions. Share your insights in the comments. What did you discover? Grab the 5 questions checklist in the description. If you believe in mindful AI use, join our community. We review tools, share ideas, and help each other navigate this new world.